Mountain golf is different. You have such beautiful views, wonderful, wonderful scenery. So for me, mountain golf is just the best.
Up here you're playing on bent grass, tees, greens, and fairways, and for a golfer it just doesn't get any better than that.
Golfers here love it because of the cool breezes, the higher elevation, the natural beauty that surrounds them. So it's a perfect place for golfers.
We have a number of golf communities here. Just in the Highlands area alone, we have 6 private golf courses.
The attraction to mountain golf is the beauty. Playing in the mountains is like a fine wine. I think that they've gotten better with time, offering elevation changes, spectacular conditioning. We've got a mild temperature. We've got bent grass greens. They're fast, not only with the mowing height, but also the undulation on the greens. And it just makes for something that's not seen in the flatlands.
Mountain golf is a real adrenaline rush. You know, you get up here at 4,500 feet and you hit the golf ball and it just hangs up in the air, and you sit there and you wait and you wait and wait before it comes down, and you become transfixed.
The natural beauty of this area is perfect for golf courses, and some of the most famous designers in the world have created beautiful courses, carved them out of the gorgeous terrain here on the plateau.
And boy, we got some of the great ones up here, from Donald Ross to Arnold Palmer to Tom Jackson to Tom Fazio, which gives us as a golfer a variety of golf courses to play. You know, you've got Highlands Country Club, which has stood the test of time.
The legendary amateur golfer Bobby Jones. And Bobby spent many summers up here, and in fact the very first mountain golf club was designed specifically as a challenge course with him in mind.
Highlands Falls Country Club, and it was designed by Joe Lee. It has our largest natural waterfall.
Colasaja Club, an Arnold Palmer design.
Wildcat Cliffs is our highest elevation of a golf course here and was designed by George Cobb.
Old Edwards Club at Highlands Cove, which is a Tom Jackson design. He made his name and reputation as a mountain golf course architect. Mountaintop, which is designed by Tom Fazio. Wade Hampton, designed by Tom Fazio.
You get incredible elevation changes. It is true mountain golf, and unlike anything that you'll experience down in the flatlands.